Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm having a time of my life here trying to get this thing organized. I moved my camera and now I am trying to fix it. Have this happen to you? Let me know. It happens so often. Every now and then I have to shift things around and I happen to move my camera and then just a disaster. I had to get a new monitor. So, all of that just changed. Today, I'm just showing you my two-strand twist. I'm showing you how I style it. Simple, easy. Two-strand twists. I take them out like this, as you can see. And then, you see how pretty it looks? And I just take my hand and do that. And I just did that yesterday afternoon. So I just sprayed. I use two products to do this. Well, three products to do these two-strand twists. I used water, detangler, and a hair cream or a hair pudding, how you want to call it. That's what I used, and this is what my results look like. And this is on dirty hair. This hair needs shampooing. This hair is like 2 weeks post shampooing, but I'm not ready to shampoo now, so I just re-moisturize my hair. Re-moisturize and two-strand twist. This is my results. See, this is what it looks like. Nice and juicy. Coming close so you can see. And then I just take them out in two. See? As the two pieces. Looking so nice. Take a look. Isn't it? It's nice and juicy. And then I just play with it. This one is a little damp. You see a lot of stuff falling from it. Like I said, the hair is dirty. But it's dead hair. Dead hair is falling out. Then I use my pick. And I just lift. This two-strand twist, twist out, will last me a whole week or two, according to how I maintain it. I'll just slip on it in the morning. I'll just take water and just spray it back. But this is what I do. You see how nice it's looking? Let me show you the back. Let's show you the back. But this is it. This is all I do. Tomorrow, when I wake up, I just take my spray bottle and all is good. All is good. But you can use any detangler, hair detangler, a bottle of water, spray your hair, nice. Use a little bit of detangler, and then you just use a hair cream, hair pudding, or even hair gel, and then just twist your hair away. And this is it. This is my hair. Looking nice, isn't it? Love it. But this is what my hair looks like now. Two-strand twist. Style it however you like and enjoy it.